Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is the first of a 3-part series showing you all how I achieved our Winter Wonderland full lace wig look that is displayed on our Instagram and on our website. This full lace wig is from our full lace wig collection at CoreyJsBoutique.com. We hope you love this video. To begin, we are going to darken the roots of our full lace wig. You guys will need a few products shown in the video, and of course a fabulous full lace wig that you all might as well just purchase from CoreyJsBoutique.com. The first step to darkening the roots would be to section your hair off with clips. I love these clips that I got from Sally's because they're long and they honestly hold the hair very well, so I definitely do recommend. I think they're called Salon Pro. So clip the hair up and section it off. I sectioned it where I did around the perimeter because it's just easier for you to go basically in short strokes on the top of the hair, and then you'll see me flip it over so that you can do the same motions on the other side to make sure that the dye goes all the way through on both sides of the hair. You see me flipping it over right now to make sure that you get it on the other side. I do recommend the small comb that I use because it helps to make sure that you don't get the dye on the lace and that it's only getting on those edges. You could also even like put a little bit of the dye on the tips of the comb and kind of comb it through to make sure that it gets just where you want it to be without staining your lace. Everybody knows that staining your lace is like the worst thing to do ever. So everybody wants to try not to do that. So as you see, I am just going through the same motions. I am neatly and gently putting the dye on the brush and then onto the hair, avoiding getting any type of dye or color onto that lace. Okay, so when I began this video, I was using a Revlon color, but instead of this medium brown that I just showed you all, I was actually using a light brown. I decided to go over the light brown with the medium brown because I was not getting the color that I was trying to achieve at all. Like the light brown, it wouldn't stain the 613 hair like I wanted it to. And if you have not worked with 613 hair before, understand that it is very hard to work with because it is very light and it is yellow, and sometimes it can just be a disaster. I've had a lot of stuff happen to me with trying to dye 613 hair. So while it looks really dark right now as I'm applying it, it actually did not come out to be this dark at all. You guys will see in the next video when I am toning the hair to achieve the color of the Winter Wonderland wig, the color of the dye once it is rinsed out. Right now it looks very, very dark, but it did not come out this dark at all. So that is the medium brown. And this is pretty much how to dye the roots, just sectioning it off, starting around the perimeter of your head, making sure that you do those short strokes, making sure that you are very gentle so that you do not put the dye onto the lace, and just repeating these steps. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch our next video, which is part 2 to our 3-part series. Like, comment, subscribe.